Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to explain Autosnipe AI's unique feature and how this tool stands out in comparison with the other tools out there in the market. So in case you want to check out Autosnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now once you come to autosnipe.ai, you just have to simply link your account with it. That should be your Phantom wallet or MetaMask wallet, basically Solana compatible wallet, and then you can deposit your Solana into it in order to start trading. Now, the first feature of Autosnipe AI that I want to highlight is their lowest fees structure. So, Autosnipe AI is designed with AI optimized fee management. Unlike most trading boards that can hit you with unexpected high costs, Autosnipe ensures you are charged the lowest possible fees. So, this innovation approach helps you to keep more of your profit and avoid expensive surprises. So if you want to use it, then you need to click on the token that you want to purchase, and here in the bottom right hand corner, whichever trade you take, if you click on the advanced settings, you will be able to see the AI optimized option. So AI will help you to optimize your priority fee, which leads to the lowest gas fees over here. The second feature that I want to highlight is their rug detector. So one of the biggest risks in crypto trading is investing in coins that turn out to be scams or are suddenly pulled from the market. So that is known as rug pulls. So Autosnipe AI has an advanced rug detector that help you identify and avoid these risky coins before it's too late. So in order to use this feature, you just have to enable the hide rugs option, and what this will do is it will remove all of the coins that has very low liquidity, meaning it will try to remove all of the scammy coins. If I disable this option, you can see that we have some of the coins that has this badge which shows you that this particular meme coin has very high rug capacity. So you need to make sure that you use this feature. Now, the next feature that I want to highlight of Autosnipe AI is their scam detector. So again, this feature is crucial for staying safe in the volatile world of crypto. With this tool, Autosnipe AI can flag potentially scammy tokens before you make an investment, adding an extra layer of security to your trading strategy. So as I showed you earlier, this is the badge that you will see on the scammy coins. If you click on that meme coin and scroll down a bit, it will give you a warning that this pair is highly likely to be a scam. You need to proceed with cautious. You can also scroll down a bit, and in the data and security, you will be able to see this red badge that will show you that this particular pair is highly likely to be a scam. So you need to proceed with cautious. So this is the feature I wasn't able to find at any other boards. Now, another standout feature of this platform is if you are someone who loves the fast paced trading and seizing quick opportunities, this tool is for you as it helps you to identify the pairs that are surging, allowing you to capitalize on momentum trade and ride the wave of quick gains. And finally, this particular AI tool also provide you the moonshot pairs. So these are the tokens that the AI identifies as having high potential for significant growth. So if you are looking for that next big breakout, moonshot pairs can help you spot it before it takes off. So there you have it, the unique features of Autosnipe AI: lowest fees, rug detector, scam detector, pump fun pairs, and moonshot pairs. Each one is designed to make your trading safer, smarter, and more profitable. So if you are a complete beginner and if you are looking for something AI that could help you to trade meme coins without any risk, I would recommend you to go with Autosnipe AI. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights into the best crypto tools out there. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading.